Welcome to True Islam, your source of authentic Islamic history. Today, let's answer an important question. Who was Imam Hussain, the hero of Karbala, whose sacrifice still inspires millions? Imam Hussain was the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, loved dearly for his truthfulness, kindness, and courage. In 680 CE, in the desert of Karbala, Hussain stood against tyranny and injustice. The ruling caliph, Yazid, demanded Hussein's allegiance to legitimize his corrupt rule. Hussain refused, saying he would never support oppression. Along with his family and companions, Hussain was surrounded, denied water, and brutally killed on the 10th of Muharram, known as Ashura. Despite knowing he would be martyred, Hussain chose sacrifice over silence, leaving a legacy of standing up for justice no matter the cost. His message is universal: never submit to injustice, even if you stand alone. If you want to learn more about Imam Hussain, the story of Karbala, and true Islamic history, subscribe to True Islam today. Let's share the timeless message of justice, courage, and faith together.